Serious ethical issues are being raised after it emerged that US and Chinese scientists have implanted human cells into monkey embryos. For practical ethics, I asked her if we should see the embryos as human at all.
I think when we create an organism that is a mix between a human and a monkey, we're really not sure at all what sort of organism we have created. I mean, is it a human? Is it a monkey? Is it something in between? And that raises ethical issues because we don't know how we should treat these creatures ethically. Can we simply use them in scientific experiments? Can we destroy them in experiments when we really don't know what sort of organism they are? About us not being sure what sort of organism we create, how we should treat it, is not so much of a problem for the research we're discussing here, because in that research, as you mentioned, the human-monkey chimeras.
For biologists, this term describes any organism whose body consists of cells from two different organisms. Why am I telling you about this tonight? Because scientists recently tried creating the world's first human-monkey chimera.
This is exactly what scientists. They integrated human cells into the embryos of a macaque monkey. In simple terms, they created embryos that were part monkey and part human. What happened next? The embryos were grown in the open in a laboratory for 20 days. About it, we still don't fully know what the drawbacks or benefits of creating a human-monkey hybrid could be.
Well, the stock market is making rich people richer, and I mean, it's crazy what's going on. Rich people are getting richer. Of course, I'm a politician now, so we just keep chugging along, right? But you're going to have a crash the likes of which you haven't seen because of what they're doing. It's going to be scary. Biden's inflation.
First, to emphasize something that you said. Other than the supplemental request that the President has made of Congress, there is no magic pot of money that we can draw from.
As our OMB director, Shalanda Young said, there's no magic pot of money here. I mean, that's why we need this supplemental. That's why we need this funding to support Ukraine going forward. And
there is no magic pot of funding that we have available to draw on if Congress doesn't pass this bill. That's not how government funding works.